In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Facebook account using Google Chrome on your computer. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease and confidence, ensuring that you can access your Facebook with no trouble at all. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open Google Chrome. If you haven't done this before, look for the colorful circular icon that most of us are familiar with, typically on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once you have it open, you're ready for the next step. In the address bar at the top of your screen, type in facebook.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will navigate you to the Facebook homepage, where you can begin entering your login information. It's essential to make sure you go to facebook.com directly to avoid any fake pages that might try to mimic Facebook's design. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, you'll notice two boxes in the center of the screen. The first box is for your email address or phone number. Carefully enter the information that you used when you created your Facebook account. Accuracy here is key, as any small typo could prevent you from logging in. In the second box, you'll need to type in your password. As you enter your password, be mindful of capital letters, as passwords are case sensitive. Again, double check that every character is correct to avoid getting locked out. Now, you'll see a login button below these boxes. A simple click on this button will guide you in gaining access to your account. But before moving forward, let's discuss a critical security aspect. Facebook might ask you for verification, especially if you're logging in from a new device or location. If so, you might see a request for a code to be sent to your phone or email. Carefully follow any on-screen instructions to ensure a successful sign-in. This step is an additional security measure designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. Speaking of security, it's really important to only input your credentials on devices that you trust. If you're using a public or shared computer, be cautious. Public devices are more susceptible to hacking attempts, and entering your login information here could compromise your account security. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to access your Facebook account securely and efficiently. Remember these tips anytime you're logging in, and you'll keep your account safe while staying connected with friends and family. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips.